My video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the malicious and scary alerts by the site Lemervand.xyz. This site displays a pretty scary content that tries to make you basically download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you see pop-ups by Lemervand.xyz, don't trust them, just leave this deceptive page and don't install what these pop-ups promote. I recommend you to additionally research the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Go to the website combocleaner.com, download the application, install it, and then once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching your computer. So, Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to effectively detect and remove all other types of threats which would possibly still remain stealthily on your Windows computer. So, make sure you scan your system with the reliable security applications such as Combo Cleaner. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on this Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.